Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to master three important prepositions of time. At, on, in. We begin with at. We use it when we talk about exact times on the clock and special points of the day. So now we are going to see some examples with hours. I wake up at 7 o'clock. We start lunch at 12:30. The movie begins at 9 p.m. Now we are moving to times of day with at. Birds start singing at dawn. We eat lunch at noon. The sky turns orange at dusk. We sleep at night. We stayed up talking at midnight. Now next we are going to see is on. On is used for specific calendar points like day of the week or date, even holidays too. Now we are going to see some examples with days. We have a class on Monday. The meeting is on Friday. We play tennis on Sunday. Now examples with dates. I am planning a vacation on June 15th. The concert is on January 3rd. She got married on March 20th. Now examples with holidays. We celebrate with family on Christmas. We party on New Year's Eve. Parades are held on Independence Day. Now the last one we are going to see is in. We use in when talking about longer spans of time like months, years, centuries, seasons, and general part of the day. Examples with months. We usually travel in June. Shops are busy in December. Now we are going to see some examples with years. She will graduate in 2027. The company was founded in 1990. Examples with century. We live in the 21st century. Many famous inventions appeared in the 18th century. Now example for season. We swim in summer. He wears warm clothes in the winter season. Now for examples with parts of the day. She studies English in the morning. He takes a nap in the afternoon. I walk at the park in the evening. Quick recap. At. It is used in exact clock times and named times of day like dawn, noon, dusk, and midnight. On. Used in days, dates, single-day holiday like on Monday, on July 15th, on Christmas Day. In. Used in longer spans like months, years, centuries, and seasons. And that's it. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing. See you next time.